Joe. Oh, there's claws coming through right now. See the claws? Hurry, hurry. Ooh, is that shrimp, baby? Ooh. Come up higher. Come up higher. There you go. She's getting them. Can you elevate her more? Can you elevate her more? Push her up a little bit more. Oh my God, perfect. Oh, there's a huge claw sticking up. Perfect. Oh, now she's too high, actually. Hi. Oh, there's one. Big one up top. Big one. Good girl. Thumb. Joe. Chobani. 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 Oh, there you go. Good girl. Just hit me in the face. Come up again. Put it back down, wait for it to come back up.
Yeah. Yep.
Can you get that one or no?
Let it stick out a little more. That's the one I want.
Nice. Look at her tongue. We gotta catch that. What's going on, baby? Ready? There's another one up top. Big one up top. Just pulled the whole shrimp through. Oh. Give her a break. Oh, back ones. I was going to do her higher.
There you go. Keep her. Come on.
Joe, what's here? This way. Joey. Joe. Joe. Joe.
Alright, that's enough for now.